Okay, good evening. So our first question is, which is your first memory related to dance?
Dance. Wow. My first experience, like my first memory with dance, something that connect. Wow. Probably at home somewhere, long time ago, because I do remember myself dancing when I was somewhere 7. But so I think it was something before before the age of 7.
Okay. And if nowadays you have to describe dance with 3 steps, 3 movements, you can show them if you want.
3 movement of dance.
Yes.
Wow. It's so difficult when you ask the question exactly. Then I don't know what to do. So you really actually want me to show you the
As you prefer.
movement? Hmm. Can I call my dancers? They're here. um, Here, 3 movements. That was like 4 maybe. I'm very shy. No. Yes, more?
Perfect.
Okay.
Now it's going to be even more difficult. A soundtrack of your life.
Maybe the soundtrack of my life. Of like, wow.
Of this moment.
In that moment. You heard that?
And if in this moment you could invite someone to dance with you, who would you ask for?
One person or well, I'm supposed to say something quick, but it's like interesting question, so I'm thinking. um, there's so many people I want to dance with. Maybe Fred Astaire.
Okay. Thank you.